Hi, everybody. My name's Mary Ellen, and I'm the creator behind the YouTube channel Life is Messy, but I'm learning as I grow. I wrote a cookbook called How to Make Plant-Based, Dairy-Free, Vegan Soups in the Instant Pot. It includes 30 delicious, healthy soups. It's available for sale now on Amazon.com. I'll leave a link to it in the description. There are video tutorials for every recipe in this book available on my YouTube channel. With this book and the video tutorials, you should be able to easily recreate these soups at home for you and your family. When I create a recipe, I always do recipe reflections that help me learn what I'd do differently next time to improve my recipe. I've included pages like this in the book so that you can learn each time and hopefully by the end be able to create your own soup recipes. You'll need a place to store the new recipes that you've made. So I have added blank recipe templates in the back of the book so you can keep all your soup recipes in one place. I'm excited to release this book, so there's another way that we can learn together as we grow.